welcome back to my channel everyone, and today I got a box. So hello from bol.com, de winkel van ons allemaal, the shop from everyone. So I buy it online yesterday and I got it today. So we're going to see what is in the box. So we got remote alarm, displacement sensor alarm for motorbiker, bicycle, anything have alarm. So under 30 decibel, emergency help function, also long standby time. I know if there's somebody touch the bike, there will be a sound to alert. And then you have also this SOS function inside if you fall and you cannot stand up, so there will be an alarm to make much noise to help the other people to come to help you. So all that stuff. With all the instruction that you need. So yeah, this is for to open your remote, so you can open it with that zip ties to make it on your bike, very long one. So you can put it here in and there, and here you have all of it, the plastic to give contact on your battery. So you have to, that's for to lock, to open it, that I don't know, I have to research it in the manual, and that is to find where your vehicle of your bike is to many other bikes of big parking. So that's easy to find your bike of motorcycle, of else that you will find of what you ride. So you got also a little screwdriver. I'm going to install it directly and so you can see it, but I don't going to show you where I put this, so that will be top secret. So I'm going to begin. Before I'm going to open the rear fender. So this little plastic is on the other side of your seat, so that's not much, but it's okay. So what I can see here, I have space. Maybe I can just put the glue on it, the tape. Yeah, there's a little bit windy outside, so therefore I do it here in my man cave, because it's raining and windy outside. So you can see here we have a plate on the other side, so I can put it there on it with this tape, this gift with it, so I can glue it there on it, and you can try it, we'll see. it's fixed or not. Oh yeah, we have room enough to put it there, so I think I'm gonna do it just like that. Yeah. Is that done? See? No. Yeah, there's a little plate. Yep. I can put it there. So okay, let's go. You don't need the zip ties, but you can take it with you. Oh yeah, I can use it maybe. Oh no, I can not use it. I have here ones. So I just need a new one, so I get it. So yeah, I'm going to tape on it and glue it on it. Before I go to do that, I have to olive it, this little plastic. Ooh, it's noisy. Wow. I'm going to see if that work or not before they are going to put it on it. So, ooh, that's noisy. And then the other. It's waterproof too, so that's cool, because here in Belgium, in Europe, it's much rain, so you have to have something that can go to the rain. So the remote control, I don't know it. Is it waterproof or not? I will see, but I'm gonna not take it in water also. But that's pretty nice and easy to install, so I'm going to put it on it. So we're going to continue in the video. So you have also two space where you can put it on it, just like this, and the other one here on the other. Pretty nice, pretty cool done. And also the life of the batteries. The alarm itself is for 2 months good, and then you have to change the battery. And for the remote control is 1 year, and then you have to change the battery. But you have also the special key for to open it, to do not damage on your remote control. The alarm itself, you have little screws here, and you can open it, and then you can rechange it. Put it so, I think, just like this, far enough. So I take the cables, can connect again. You have to see that you put it right in it. So we begins with the middle one. Then you have to find where is the hole. Just to cut it, and work is done. So I'm going to clean it, and then we're going to try it again, and we will see. So I clean it a little bit here. So also is it a very nice remote control, so you can put it on your keys. Very nice one. So we're gonna try it out. So for lock it is up here. It's locked. So is there some, that's the owl. So is there somebody who want to touch it? Oh, you see directly. That's awesome. And then when it touch it again, we're gonna get again all the noise. Also, be safer for your bike. So I have also 2 locks from ABUS. Very nice one, strong. So always take one my rear wheel, and then the other one I put it here. I cannot show you because I don't have my keys with me, but I put it here, and then on something else, that's a ball of something else that's strong, that cannot take it with the bike. So I have always 2 lockets with me, and now I got this alarm. So that's very safe. So from where I have, it comes from, you see it on the beginning with the unboxing. I will put the link down below. So if you are interested from Europe, you get it directly. So the day after you get it, maybe 2 days, it will see from where you are, but I buy it yesterday and I got it today, so it's very fast. So because you have AliExpress and all the other stuff, but you have to wait too long if you are in Europe. So bolt.com is, you can get all the same stuff what you can find on Amazon. So yeah, so that's what I want to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, the thumbs up, subscribe if you're new on this channel, you are welcome. Don't forget the notification bell so you get always the new videos that comes for my channel. And yeah, thank you for all the support, and we will see you later. Bye bye, be safe, peace.